Welcome to my channel. UniFi Dream Router Setup. Setup using the mobile app. Download the UniFi mobile app. Connect your mobile device to your UniFi console via Wi-Fi or Bluetooth. Remain within 3 meters if using Bluetooth. Follow the setup wizard to complete the process. Though optional, we strongly recommend creating a UI account, which gives you access to features like secure management from anywhere in the world using our UniFi Site Manager, or one of our UniFi mobile apps' automatic system backups linked to your UI account. Pre-configured email notifications for convenient system monitoring. Once complete, you can proceed with adopting UniFi devices such as APs, switches, and cameras. Setup using a web browser. Connect a laptop to your UniFi console by joining the same Wi-Fi, or using an Ethernet cable. Open a web browser of your choice. Enter your UniFi console's IP address. This can be found on the console's LCD screen, or by using the network scanner in our Wi-Fi Man mobile app. You may receive a privacy or security warning, which is normal. Select to proceed anyway. Follow the setup wizard to complete the process. Once complete, you can proceed with adopting UniFi devices such as APs, switches, and cameras. Thanks for watching.